These are my first flights with the HDZero goggles too. First, I'll try two very familiar HDZero-based drones, and then several of my analog drones. Some didn't connect or work well, and some improved. The Micro 3 camera and the Race VTX are cool. Now the Grinderino sporting the Nano 90 camera also appears to be solid. My first try with analog on the 1S Firefly, this didn't go well. I would say not good. A 1S analog nanofly with a Razor Pico camera, looking good. A 1S analog draw shark also looking good. The Manta 5 SE did not connect to the goggles, nor did it work. This drone has no problems with Goggle One using rapid fire. This is the Recon 4 LR, which worked nicely. And just the last rip for the day with my Seeker 3, enjoying the new goggles too from HDZero. These are going to be a very useful item, and I am glad to see them advance this product to the next level.